Hi, so if you're watching this video, we are going to look in Project Platinum by Robby Blanchard. So if you're watching this video, you are maybe already a member of Project Platinum course, or maybe you are just sitting on the fence waiting or thinking, should I join this course or not? So in this video, we're going to look exactly this step by step, what honestly this course is about, and should you invest your money into this course. So let's go straight into it. So as you can see here on my screen, right, I'm on the payment page for this Project Platinum one pay course. As you can see here, right, I'm going to make my video smaller so you can see. Over here, the price totally is $2,500 US, right? Now you have two choices. You can join for $2,500 with one payment, or you can do 3 easy payments, as they call it, for $1,000. So basically you're paying $3,000 US for the same course. So you're paying $500 more, right? So what is this course all about? As you can see over here, right, if you know anything about ClickBank, affiliate marketing, or Robby Blanchard, you should know that it's all about selling you kind of the dreams and hopes of making it on ClickBank by using Facebook ads or AI tools, right? So let's go straight into it. Behind the scenes, I'm going to show you, as you can see over here on my page, right? This is the page where someone like me or you, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing seriously, can come to and promote this course. So if you have seen any honest reviews on YouTube, let me tell you the secret. The secret is that basically every single one of these YouTubers doing honest reviews is getting paid 50% commission when you, yes, you, who pay for this course, who join through their affiliate link, get commission. And when you pay, they get 50% commission. So they're making well over $1,000 per sale for each of you who is buying this course. Now you can see the whole idea and concept from the owner, from Robby Blanchard in this case, for example, is to get super affiliates, right? People like me, someone like else who have big email lists, who have huge YouTube following, to promote this course. Why? Of course, because they are making huge amounts of money from you buying this course. Now, if you have known anything about Facebook ads, you know that this year doing Facebook ads can be really like a punch in the face, right? Because you can get your account shut down, lots of things can happen along the way, and now the AI voices, YouTube ads, all of these new things came out, right, which sound really good, right, on the surface, but the problem is when you try to practice, when you try to put it to the action, right, it fails miserably. So that is the huge disadvantage with these kind of courses, right? As you can see over here, right, what are they doing? You see, why should you promote Project Platinum? High conversions, cash prizes, the best training, right? Premium product, conversions, right? As you can see over here, it's all about making affiliate people promoting this course rich or wealthier, right? It's not about you buying this course getting millions of dollars or getting the results, right? So it's all about, you see over here, conversions, cash prizes, high conversions, you see 50% commissions. It's all about affiliates getting commissions. Now the problem with Facebook ads, as you know of now, is that even if you are promoting something simple like dog training on ClickBank, right, you can still get easily shut down when you are using some kind of tricky words, right? So it's very hard to scale at the moment if you're not really professional, or if you don't have a farm of backup accounts, right? Lots of super affiliates, underground affiliates, they pay tens of thousands of dollars to get from Romanian people or Russians lots of Facebook accounts, which can be fake, right? But they basically call it a farm, Facebook accounts farm, because they can buy lots of accounts for backup and they can burn through all the accounts daily. So for example, maybe I spent 5,000 euros on Facebook ads today and I get shut down, right? And I get another account tomorrow, 5,000 euro again, and get shut down. But you get the sense, right? You cannot do this if you are a beginner, right? Maybe you don't have 1,000 or 5,000 euros to spend every single day on ads or buying new accounts, new Facebook accounts, right? So It's very, very tricky thing. And again, right, if you go and see what happened last year with other courses, right, lots of people are just losing their money, right? They're getting upsold on higher coaching. So after you pay $3,000 to this Robby, or this system basically, you'll be upsold on $10,000 coaching, $10,000 more, right, on new softwares, new things. You get the idea, right? Just go and check your email inbox. You see what these guys are doing.